Considering how many different Vitamix blenders there are on the market today, it can be really hard to differentiate all the options. So I decided to throw myself into the world of Vitamix blenders to find out what the best Vitamix blender for home use truly is. Links to each of the top contenders are in the description box. The Vitamix E 310 Explorian blender is worth every penny for anyone serious about blending, offering professional-grade performance and versatility that transforms everyday cooking into a breeze. Even though it's one of the cheaper Vitamix models, the E310 Explorian still stands out with its impressive blending capabilities that rival professional kitchen equipment. You'll notice the difference immediately when making smoothies. No more chunks of ice or fibrous bits from tough greens. The 2-horsepower motor powers through frozen fruits, nuts, and tough vegetables without struggling or stalling, something that separates Vitamix from cheaper alternatives. Control is a major highlight with this top Vitamix blender. The 10 variable speeds allow you to fine-tune your blending process, starting slow for initial mixing, then ramping up for that perfectly smooth finish. This precision comes in handy when you're making everything from chunky salsas to velvety soups. The pulse feature adds another dimension, letting you create layers of texture when recipes call for both smooth and chunky elements. Durability sets the Vitamix E 310 apart from disposable kitchen gadgets. Made in Cleveland, Ohio, this blender is built to last up to 10 times longer than average blenders. You're investing in a machine backed by a comprehensive 5-year warranty covering parts, labor, and even return shipping both ways. As some indication of its reliability, the hardened stainless steel blades maintain their sharpness over years of use, ensuring consistent results every time. Cleanup is remarkably simple with this blender. After use, just add warm water in a drop of dish soap, then run the machine at high speed for 30 to 60 seconds. The friction actually helps clean the container and blades without disassembly, eliminating one of the most frustrating aspects of using traditional blenders. The 48-ounce container strikes a good balance for most households, perfect for making medium batches that serve 2 to 4 people. While not the largest capacity Vitamix offers, it's ideal for everyday use and fits more easily under standard kitchen cabinets than their larger models. The included mini tamper helps you process thicker mixtures like nut butters or frozen desserts without stopping the machine. From morning smoothies to homemade soups and sauces, the Vitamix E 310 gives you restaurant-quality results right in your own kitchen. Next up on my Vitamix blender reviews roundup, we have the Vitamix Propel 750, which is the ultimate investment for serious home chefs who want professional quality blending with convenient preset programs that make daily use effortless. This powerhouse blender combines Vitamix's legendary performance with modern convenience features that make it worth every penny. The Propel 750 comes equipped with 5 preset programs: smoothies, hot soup, frozen dessert, dips and spreads, and self-cleaning that take the guesswork out of blending. Just add your ingredients, select a program, and walk away. The machine automatically adjusts speeds and timing for consistent results. What sets the Propel 750 apart is its incredible versatility. You can manually control blending with 10 variable speeds and a pulse feature that lets you create everything from chunky salsas to velvety smoothies. The 64-ounce low-profile container is perfect for family-sized portions while still fitting under most kitchen cabinets when not in use. Cleanup couldn't be easier with this Vitamix model. The self-cleaning feature works like magic. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap, run the cleaning cycle, and rinse. For tougher messes, both the container and lid are dishwasher safe, though you'll rarely need to use that option. The BPA-free Triton container is built to withstand years of daily use. The 2.2 horsepower motor is where the Propel 750 really shines. It powers through fibrous vegetables, frozen fruit, and ice with ease, creating perfectly smooth textures without chunks. Vitamix testing shows their blenders last up to 10 times longer than average blenders, making this a long-term investment in your kitchen arsenal rather than just another appliance. The included tamper helps process thick mixtures like nut butters and frozen desserts without having to stop and scrape the sides. With a full 7-year warranty covering parts, labor, and shipping both ways, Vitamix stands behind their product's durability. While the price might cause initial sticker shock, when you consider how frequently you'll use it and how long it will last, the Propel 750 delivers exceptional value for serious home cooks. Checking in at number 3 on my best Vitamix blender comparison is the insanely popular Vitamix 5200, which is a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about blending. The 5200 model stands as Vitamix's classic powerhouse, equipped with a robust motor that handles everything from frozen fruits to tough vegetables with impressive ease. You'll appreciate the variable speed dial that gives you complete control throughout the blending process. Rather than preset buttons, this intuitive control allows you to adjust on the fly, perfect for creating exactly the texture you want in smoothies, sauces, or dips. What really sets this blender apart is its ability to transform cold ingredients into steaming hot soup in about 6 minutes. The blades spin so rapidly, they create friction heat, no stove or microwave needed. This feature alone expands your culinary possibilities dramatically, letting you create restaurant-quality soups and sauces directly in the blending container. The generous 64-ounce container, which is the largest size Vitamix offers, is ideal for family meals or batch preparation. You can whip up large portions of smoothies, soups, or batters in one go, rather than processing multiple smaller batches. The container's unique design creates a consistent vortex that pulls ingredients down into the blades, ensuring everything gets thoroughly blended without leaving chunks behind. As one of the best Vitamix blenders on the market, durability is clearly a priority in the 5200's design. The aircraft-grade stainless steel blades can handle even the toughest ingredients without dulling over time. Meanwhile, the motor includes a radial cooling fan and thermal protection system that prevents overheating during extended use. Vitamix backs this quality with an impressive 7-year warranty, demonstrating their confidence in the product's longevity. As with all the best Vitamix models, cleanup couldn't be easier with the self-cleaning feature. Just add a drop of dish soap and warm water, run the machine for 30 to 60 seconds, and it's clean. This time-saving function makes you much more likely to use the blender regularly rather than avoiding it because of dreaded cleanup. Though it represents a significant investment compared to standard blenders, the Vitamix 5200's versatility, power, and durability make it a kitchen workhorse that can replace multiple appliances and serve you reliably for years to come. Now, we have the second best Vitamix blender on the market today, and quite possibly the ultimate combination of simple design and cutting-edge technology that I've ever seen in a kitchen blender. As part of the new Ascent X Series, the Vitamix Ascent X2 is ideal if you want to take advantage of the latest Vitamix technology without paying extra for loads of preset programs. Its sleek finish brings a modern aesthetic to your kitchen counter, while the intuitive digital interface removes guesswork from recipe preparation. You'll appreciate the 3 preset blending programs that deliver consistent results for smoothies, frozen desserts, and hot soups. What truly sets this blender apart is its self-detect technology. This smart feature recognizes which container or attachment you've placed on the base and automatically adjusts settings accordingly. The digital timer counts down during preset programs and counts up during manual blending, helping you achieve perfect texture every time without hovering over the machine. Cleanup couldn't be easier thanks to the self-cleaning program. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap, run the program, and rinse. No disassembly required. The included tamper holder attaches directly to the motor base, keeping everything organized and within reach when you need to process thicker mixtures. The 48-ounce container strikes a perfect balance for most households, handling small batches of sauces or medium-sized smoothies with equal precision. For larger families or entertaining, you can always expand your system with additional compatible containers. Variable speed control gives you precise texture control, letting you start slow, then ramp up to high-powered blending for the smoothest results. Built in the USA and backed by an exceptional 10-year warranty, this top-rated Vitamix blender represents a long-term kitchen investment. Many users report their previous Vitamix machines lasted 15+ years with regular use. The digital recipe book gets you started with over 30 professionally developed recipes specifically designed for this machine's capabilities, making it easier to explore everything from nut butters to hot soups and frozen treats. Now we have the best Vitamix blender on the market. The Vitamix Ascent X5 represents the pinnacle of blending technology. With its powerful 2.2 horsepower motor, this powerhouse can handle everything from frozen fruits to tough vegetables with absolute ease. You'll appreciate how quickly it transforms tough ingredients into silky, smooth textures. Wireless connectivity sets the X5 apart from competitors and enables you to expand your blending experience with a variety of different containers. The blender automatically detects which container you're using and adjusts settings accordingly. This smart feature eliminates guesswork and ensures optimal blending results every time. The touchscreen interface is intuitive and responsive, offering 10 pre-programmed settings so that you can effortlessly make your own frozen cocktails, spices, smoothie bowls, dips and spreads, non-dairy milks, soups, smoothies, nut butters, frappe, and frozen desserts. The X5's blades are laser cut from hardened stainless steel. As a result, they maintain their edge much longer than standard blending blades, giving you years of reliable performance without replacement. You'll love the clear BPA-free container that comes with crystal clear measurement markings. The standard 48-ounce container handles family-sized batches and fits easily under most kitchen cabinets. While the price is steep, the impact this blender can have on the quality of your smoothies, soups, and more is priceless. Considering that this high-end Vitamix blender is guaranteed for a minimum of 10 years, there's really no risk in giving it a try for yourself. And with that said, you'll find the links for all the products mentioned in the description box. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you found this best Vitamix blender video helpful.